In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft PowerPoint with someone. We'll start by signing into your Microsoft account. Head to the Microsoft sign-in page and log in with your work, school, or personal credentials. Once you're in, open the PowerPoint app from the app launcher or the home screen. You'll land on My Presentations in PowerPoint for the web. This page lists your files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. If you don't immediately see the file you want, check the Recent section, adjust filters, or make sure you're signed into the correct account. When you find the presentation you want to share, click it to open. With the presentation open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button in the upper menu. Click Share to open the sharing panel on the right. Before sending an invite, set the correct permissions. Click the Permissions area at the top of the panel and choose People You Choose. This keeps access limited to only the individuals you specify. In the same settings, decide whether recipients can edit or only view the presentation. If you want to keep full control of the content, turn off Allow Editing so they can view but not change anything. Depending on your plan, you may also see options to block downloads for view-only links. When your choices are set, click Apply to confirm. Now add the people you want to share with. In the field provided, type a name or an email address. Matching contacts may appear as you type. You can add multiple recipients, just keep entering names or emails. Take a moment to double check the addresses so the invite goes to the right people. Add a short message to provide context. Mention what the deck is about, what you need them to review, and any deadlines or expectations. This helps recipients know exactly how to engage with your presentation. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive an email with a secure link to the presentation. If they don't see it after a few minutes, suggest they check their spam or junk folder. If they're outside your organization, they might be asked to verify their identity to ensure the file stays secure. A few quick tips before we wrap up. PowerPoint for the web autosaves, so look for the saved indicator in the title bar before you share. If the share button is grayed out, make sure the file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint and that you're online. You can always return to the share panel later to adjust permissions or stop sharing if needed.